Hi, Shireen, how are you?
I'm fine, Mr. Iskandar. How are you?
I'm all right. We would like actually to talk to you about the practical course in urogynecology, which we run here in Dubai. And if you finish this course, you will be granted a certificate and a master even degree in urogynecology. It is a very useful course. We do a lot of workshop, a lot of practical teaching there. Why don't you talk to them about the workshops we do during the course?
Yes, I would love to do that. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Miss Shireen Aleem. I'm a consultant urogynecologist in Southport Ormskirk Hospital in the northwest of England. I've had the privilege of working with Mr. Iskandar, and of course we've put this fantastic course together where we provide quite an exciting opportunity of being able to take part in some excellent hands-on workshop which actually use the actual training equipment used for surgical procedures such as Botox injections for the bladder, urethral injections for the urethra using agents such as Bulkamid, and also doing hands-on workshops for procedures such as complex perineal repairs, including third and fourth degree tears.
We also do workshops on mid-urethral tapes and inserting erythropubic tapes such as TVT, transobturator tape. We have a hands-on workshop in sacrospinous fixation using a Capio device. A lot of the workshops we do, however, such as Botox in the bladder, which, as you know, is indicated in overactive bladder, in vulvodynia, in painful bladder syndrome. So it is a big usage for Botox, bladder Botox in urogynecology, and the Bulkamid for stress incontinence. These are day procedures. These are minimally invasive procedures which can be done as outpatient or day case procedures. It can be taught easily. I am sure that majority of gynecologists and urogynecologists should have enough skills and competency to be able to provide this. And I think it is unique. I am not aware of any other workshop anywhere which you teach all these procedures in one course, in one practical course.
Absolutely. We've put in a lot of effort and time in formulating and putting these workshops together, and we do feel that the candidates will benefit hugely by attending. Excited to welcome you, and I hope we see you in our next course.
We see you in our next course, and after the course you can always come as part of the master in urogynecology. You will be able to come for a week of observership and visit our unit in Southport and Ormskirk for 1 week, and that would give you a chance to observe the procedures and see how we provide the service in our unit in United Kingdom. It's a small, nice town, beautiful town on the northwest coast, and only a couple of hours travel from London by train, and we will be happy to, if they come and visit us in Southport, which is part of the practical course in urogynecology. Bye-bye for now. Thank you.